I'm going to show you how to create this look with CND Shellac Luxe. So I've started with 2 layers of CND Shellac Luxe in Cream Puff, cured, and top coated with CND Shellac Luxe top coat. What I love about CND Shellac Luxe is that both colors and top coat are really sticky, which make it perfect for burnishing in all kinds of things, like cosmetic pigments. I'm going to take some yellow pigment and using a dry gel brush, I'm going to pick up the pigment with my brush, tap off the excess, and burnish it into that sticky top film of that cured top coat. So cover about 1/3 of that nail with yellow pigment, clean off any excess pigment from your brush, and apply pink pigment onto about 1/3 of the nail, overlapping it with the yellow. And pink and yellow create a little bit of orange. Clean off your brush and burnish some blue pigment into that remaining 1/3 of the nail, overlapping it with the pink and the yellow pigment. Dispense a little bit of CND Shellac Luxe top coat onto a piece of palette paper and use a stylus to scoop up some of that top coat. Lightly press the bead of top coat onto the nail and float it on top of your burnished pigments, not to touch the stylus to the nail. This technique is called embossing, which basically just means to create height and texture. And CND Shellac Luxe, both the colors and the top coat are great for this technique because when you place it, it actually holds its shape and it stays where you put it. This technique can be done with a brush or a stylus, and different size brush styluses and brushes will give you different size and different heights of embossing. Place the nail in the CND LED lamp and cure for 1 minute using the number 3 button. Then after your embossed top coat has cured, remove the sticky top film and any remaining pigments using a cotton pad saturated with 99% alcohol. And there you have a bright, colorful, easy embossed look.